I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan in Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Scan tab at the top of your platform. Here, you'll find various scanning tools to help you identify trading opportunities. We'll start by exploring the Stock Hacker for equity scans. This powerful feature allows you to filter through thousands of stocks based on your specific criteria, making market analysis much more efficient and targeted for your trading strategy. Now, let's dive into customizing your scans. You can add multiple filters to narrow down your results significantly. For example, you might combine price ranges with specific volume thresholds or technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index. Adjusting these parameters allows you to create highly targeted searches. Once satisfied, save your custom scan for quick access later, streamlining your daily routine and ensuring consistency in your approach. After running your scan, you'll see a list of stocks that meet your criteria. It's crucial to review these results carefully. You can sort the list by different metrics, such as percentage change, volume, or last price, to prioritize your analysis. This helps you quickly identify the most relevant opportunities. For deeper dives, you can also export the data to a spreadsheet, allowing for more extensive analysis and record keeping. Beyond stocks, Thinkorswim offers advanced scanning for futures and forex markets, expanding your trading universe. Don't forget to set up alerts based on your scan criteria. These can notify you in real time when a stock meets your conditions, ensuring you never miss a potential trade. Also, for those looking to enhance their home environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps you stay connected and informed, even away from your trading desk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.